In today's video, we will share an indicator with you and show you how to download and set up this indicator. In the previous video, we have shown the use of this indicator. Many people have requested to share this indicator so that everyone can use it. So in today's video we will share this indicator so that anyone can download this indicator and use it on their platform. So watch the video with patience. The indicator that we are going to share is completely free, so anyone can use it. Moreover, we have shared many indicators before. Hopefully you will get these indicators, so watch the video till the end. I am with you, and I am an official member of Forex BD. Hope you all are well. First, let's discuss how to set up this indicator. This indicator works very well, as you must have seen in the last video. You don't have to do much for this indicator. The link will be given below the video. If you click on that link, you will get this indicator. As you can see now, we are in this page, and there is a download icon on the left side. This indicator is called Super Trend Indicator. There is an indicator called Super Trend Indicator available in the Trading View. We gave a video about that indicator and showed you how to use that indicator, but today we will share how you can use this new type of indicator in the MT4 platform. The reason for saying new type is that this indicator is different from Trading View indicator. It is very easy to follow, as those who have seen our previous video about this indicator must know that. However, when you click on the download option, a page will open. As you can see here, a page is opened here. You have to select yes or no. If the MT4 platform is installed in your device, then you click yes, and if it is not installed, then click no, but install first, then you will set up. So when you download that platform, it will open, and below you will see this indicator. We can see this indicator here, and below we can see the open option. We have downloaded, so we have to open, but you may see a download option, so you will download it. Since we have taken this indicator from a website, so there must an account, and it's not difficult to open an account. Just submit an email address and a nickname and you can open an account very easily. We have an account, so you have automatically logged in, so you can create an account like this and then download this indicator. Once the indicator is downloaded, you will find it in the navigator page. That's why you click on the view option above. Then you can see here navigator is written. If you click here once, this page will open. Then you can see a folder called Market. Inside this Market folder, all the downloaded indicators will be shown. As you can see, here is the Super Trend Indicator. If you click here once, a new page will open there. Just click on OK option, then this indicator will be set up in your chart. We have set up our indicator. You can see an indicator in our chart. This indicator is like a moving average, but you can easily follow it. Although we talked about its use in the previous video, let's talk a little about this indicator. Here you can see that the moving average line is changing its color, and when the market starts going up, then the indicator becomes purple color, and when the market starts going down trend, then the indicator becomes red color. However, you can change these colors by going to the settings option. For example, we will select green instead of that purple color. Also, if you notice another thing, you can see that the color of this line changes, as well as some arrow signs are showing. When the market starts going up trend, then an arrow sign is formed and it points upwards, and when the market starts going down trend, an arrow sign is formed and it points downward. In this way, you can analyze very well with this indicator. This indicator will tell you which direction the market will go, but many times this indicator gives wrong signal. It is usually done by all indicators, so we have to take the help of other indicators. We have shown this topic in our previous video. For details, please watch that video. I hope you will watch that video, and through it, you will get good feedback. So before ending the video, I request those who have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. you must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.